Okay, so guys, you welcome once again on this platform, and in this video, we are going to look out how to fix TeraBox crashing problem. If your TeraBox is crashing on your device, this is how to fix it, and it's so easy and simple. And if you really appreciate this video or really like this video, you have to tap on the subscribe to follow me for more tips like this. And if you have any, you know question or anything to ask, you just leave out in the comment section, and I'm going to reach you out in some few seconds because I'm always online and I'm here for you guys. So without wasting much time, let's start. So first of all, you have to get to your phone menu. After getting in, what you have to do is to search for your settings app, which is the first step. So just move out to the section, just tap on the settings app. After that, what you have to do is to search for app and notification. So when you find your apps and notification, just tap on it. Other phones, you're going to see app list, and other phones, you're going to see apps. Other phones, you're going to see apps and preference. Just tap on it. They're all the same, bro. And after tapping on it, you have to wait some while. It's going to get itself load. So you have to wait. It's loading, as you can see on the screen. So after loading, we are going to see this CO 315 apps because I've installed 315 apps on this device. That's the reason why. If you have, let's say, like 200 apps or 50, you're going to see CO 50 apps or CO 100 apps. So how that's how it works. So you just tap on it, tap on the CO apps. After that, just scroll. Sorry guys, because I've installed a lot of apps over here, so it's going to delay, but we're going to see it right now because I'm using a mouse. And what you have to do is to scroll to the T section, and you're going to see the TeraBox. So tap on it. So to fix this crashing problem, what you have to do is to first check the notification, and as you can see, it's toggled off, so you have to toggle it on. After that, go back. What you have to do next is to go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi. So other device, you're going to see mobile data restriction, so you have to target it on. It's very important and necessary. So after that, go back, then you tap on the full stop, then you tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, tap on storage and cache, then you clear the cache, then you clear the storage. If you are new to this, then you have to tap on OK. But if you have things that are really important to you, just try to transfer it to a different device. After that, then you tap on OK, or else you're going to get your files and important things deleted permanently. And after doing this, you have to come back and tap on permissions. You see, all this is denied. The camera, contact, and also storage is denied. So you have to allow it, or you tap on it, then you tap on allow, then you go back. Then after that, you do same for the contacts and also the storage. So after doing all this, just go back. Then go to the phone menu again. So over here, the next thing or the next step is for you to check whether your TeraBox is updated. So to check or to do this, tap on Play Store and search for TeraBox, and you're going to find the app over here. Just tap on it. So TeraBox is a cloud storage space. It gives you 1024 megabyte gig. Sorry. Then after that, you tap on the update, and as you can see, I have not turned on my data, so it's refreshing itself. So after tapping on the update, you're going to see that it will download. You have to turn on your data or your Wi-Fi. Then after that, you wait. It's going to load from 0 to 100, and after that, you're going to get it reinstalled on your device. So after doing this, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some seconds, and you're going to see restart, power off, and airplane mode. Other device, you're going to see reboots, power off, and also airplane mode. So just tap on the restart or the reboot, then you're going to see this pop-up menu, then you tap on OK. So after tapping on OK, just wait for it to update or to reboot itself. When you can't find reboot and also restart, just turn your phone off and turn it on again, and you're going to see changes. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next one.